guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna do again my nails, because why not. So I will show you how I do quickly refill on myself, infills, or just color change, because we did these nails not that long ago anyway. So I think those type of videos are really fun to watch. Kind of watch me work, and I will try to explain as much as possible in this video as well. So if you do like it, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And let's move on to the video. So like I mentioned, those are the nails that I did not that long ago. We did a video on, but I think it's time to change. I started to take this one off already, but I will take them off on camera now. I will just start to open my tools that have been disinfected, and I will just place them on paper tissue here. Okay, I always spray them with disinfectant again. So the first bit that I will use is the big titanium bit. This is how it looks like. And let's start to take off the color and old gel. So I will just remove the dust. Okay, so this is how the nails look like. Last time I mentioned I used a new product. It was from Truscada Builder Gel, and as we can see, there is no lifting happening. It's been almost 2 weeks, and so far so good. I'm sure if I kept it even longer, I wouldn't have any problem with the lifting whatsoever. But it's time to switch up a little bit. So we will just apply a thin layer of gel because, like I said, we did them not that long ago, and I will just file them super tiny bit, just to fix up the shape a little bit, because they are quite longer and I want to make them maybe slightly bit shorter. And we will apply the color. So this is going to be like ultra fast type of infill moment, if that makes any sense. Infill, refill, however you want to call it. So let's start. So I will start with the cuticles first, and with my machine I will use the big cylinder bit just to clean up around the cuticles. Next one is gonna be small titanium, so everything is the same as per usual. And I will start to just go a little bit more detailed underneath my cuticles. Now I'm gonna take this bit and the soft sanding paper just to kind of mattify a little bit of that natural nail that it's just super close to the cuticle. There is not that much to do anyway, but just a little bit. Okay guys, so after we made the nails matte, I will just spray first a little bit of acetone. Keep it dry. I'm gonna apply spray prep. Let it dry. And the next one is my acid-free primer, the sticky one. Next part is gonna be my base gel. I'm gonna use from Truscada rubber base. Okay, and I will apply this in the lamp for 1 minute. Okay guys, so after 1 minute it's time to apply our builder gel, but even though when you check my nails from the side you can see the apex is still on the correct spot because my nails don't grow that fast, but still I will apply a little bit of builder gel just so when I file I can kind of correct a little bit the structure. So we will try out today also from Truscada. This is a tester pot and it's called Violet Thick, so let's try that one out. Okay, so I can see it's transparent builder gel and so far it looks good. So now just a thin layer across the whole nail, and then I'm gonna take a little bit bigger ball, just tiny bit, and place it here. And now I'm gonna just stretch it out from one side to the free edge, then another one. What I can feel is that this one is much more thicker in consistency than the last one we used. So if you're maybe beginner that is struggling a little bit with the gel running, I think this could be maybe a good option for you. And I will do all fingers at the same time just because this gel is a little bit thicker, so I can move a little bit faster. I think seems good. Okay, I will actually put this in a lamp just for a few seconds and then I'm gonna move on. Really is thick. Which I don't mind, but I prefer maybe a little bit more softer gels. Well, depends exactly what I'm doing. So for some things I would definitely use this one, but or maybe just building the structure I would go with something a little bit more thinner, but for doing reverse French I think this one would be perfect. Or just the first extension on the nail form, you can probably do all 5 fingers at the same time, so that's great. And again, thin layer across the whole nail. I hope this is gonna be visible. It's a little bit tricky to work on a thumb when you work on yourself. And a tiny bit I will put it in a lamp for the full curing time now. So this has been fully cured. Let's wipe off the stick there. And I will start to file it now. Clean the dust, and as you can see, I changed the shape a little bit. I just made them a little bit more oval rather than pointy, just because I made them tiny bit shorter, so I think it's nicer. And I'll show you as well from this perspective so you can see how thick they are, thin, thick, so you can see the thickness, not how thick they are, because they're not thick. Clean the dust. We are ready for the color application. So today I will use this color, and this is orange, super bright orange, and I will apply my nails. First I will use my brush for color for the first thin layer. Now this layer is not for pigmentation whatsoever, it's just more of a guideline. Okay, and I will start to apply it on my nail. This looks cool as well, kind of like transparent. Okay, now I put them in the lamp. Okay guys, so this has been cured. So as you can see, it kind of looks like jelly nails, because this was just first, it wasn't even a layer, it was just a little bit of color, just so it's easier for me to apply color a little bit more tidy. But I'm thinking I would even leave it like this, because this is in trend now, you know, those kind of transparent jelly type of nails. I think it looks really cool, especially if you did some nail art on them. So I am really in dilemma here. Should I leave them like this, or should I apply the second coat? Let's apply one second coat and I will decide. Okay, now I will take my mini brush from Get Buffed and just go a little bit around the cuticle area. What do you think? Should I do the... Ah yeah, let's do the second coat. Okay, I'll pop it in. Okay guys, it's time for top coat. Okay, so there we go. This is the finished result. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the nails that I did. I think they're super pretty. I love this orange color, and this was just fast, quick way of how to do your own refills. Maybe if you're had some cancellation, so you can do it with the clients, or you know, whenever you have time. Don't forget to leave a like and thumbs up. A like, you can call it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Ciao.